Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add LinkedIn profile link to your resume. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, type in linkedin.com and access your LinkedIn right over here. Now, if you are creating yourself a digital resume to send out to the companies and to via email, and then if you would like to add your LinkedIn profile, first step would be for you to access your LinkedIn and access your profile. From home, go to your profile, and then from right over here, you're gonna go ahead simply copy your link. Once you have copied, you're gonna go to the website where you're creating your resume. For example, let's say we are creating a resume on the Canva for us. Right over here, once you are done creating your simple resume, right over here, you're gonna tap on the customize this template. I'm just showing you an example. Right, once you have tapped on it, and you're gonna tap on like any of the information, and you simply will be able to, you know, paste the particular pasting our link right over here, and now you can simply go ahead submit this resume to any. So that's basically how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.